Hi friends, welcome to SNR MacTech Our Car. Today the video is how I send power steering for other state cars. For that purpose, I was just checking power steering set for before courier. This is that way. The power steering outer has one main plus and main minus. The plus we can give to battery, minus we can give to direct body, and one ignition wire. I already written on that wires. Before sending I will check like this, is it work or not work. See, it was working. This set I will sending to Simla. This is Maruti 800 power steering. They can't come Kerala because too far. That's why. Before sending, I will check all over and reduce the effect of the electrician of the Simla. For reducing that purpose, I will give all wiring kit properly, because that wiring kit only they need to connect battery plus battery main minus or body earth, and another one of wire they will need to give ignition. The power steering will can fix all mechanics at there. It was very easy. The difficult thing is the wiring. That's why I will reduce their effort. This is that kit how I packing, you can see, no. This is that wiring kit and all. This is Maruti 800 power steering kit. They can fix directly this kit because I already altered. After fixing, I will pack and I will send through courier. If anybody need, contact me. So guys, this is the packing procedure. Let you can see how I pack for long way courier. See, I already keep it wiring harness inside. Okay, this is the packing video. The vehicle, this packet going to courier.